are my anchor. Because as a businessman, I am confused about what should I do next. As a father, I am totally confused. What should I do with my 3 daughters? As a husband, as a son, as a person, as a human being, as a manager, as a leader, I do not know what to do next. And I am an entrepreneur all alone. I need somebody to become my anchor. And to that anchor, I will give my entire communication relationship for a lifetime. And you know, my dear friends, you don't have to work with 2,000 of them. You just need 20 like Santosh Nair. That's all. So can you get inside the life of such people? You know, and there comes the formula number 3. Become their CC. I was just making it in the morning and I said, become their CC, BFC and value creation officer. Which means become their chief. C means chief. The next C means clarity. And B means balance. And F means focus. And C means confidence. Can anybody repeat that for me? The first C means chief. The second C means clarity. So you are my chief clarity, balance, focus and confidence and value creation officer. Now that's a bloody big term. That's a huge big term. I am looking for clarity. Can you be my chief clarity officer? I am looking for balancing my entire life. Can you become my CBO, the chief balancing officer? Can I balance my life? We heard somebody speak about Dr. Bharve or Dr. Rajendra Bharve talking about stress. So he is talking about balance. So can you give me balance in life? Can you help me to focus on my distinct forte, on my unique abilities? Because as a businessman, as an individual, I should not be doing all kinds of job in which I am incompetent or competent or superior, but I should be focusing only on my distinct forte, which is my unique ability, and you should help me to move towards my unique ability, my distinct forte, and make me do only what I love to do and what I do best, and that is where I will be in a position to focus on my distinct forte. And when I focus on my distinct forte, the last C will emerge, and that is confidence. When does Santosh Nair become confident? When he is clear about his life. See, when I am clear about my future, and I am clear about everything, when I have an absolutely balanced life, when I am focusing on my distinct forte, and I do what I love to do, and I do best. And I have tremendous confidence that my future is in my command, in my control, and it will happen the way I want. And it happened because you are my anchor. क्योंकि तुम मेरे साथ थे. And you are my chief value creation officer, which means you provide leadership to me. Which means you provide through that leadership direction to me. Which means you provide relationship which gives me solid confidence of being in relationship with you. Which means you make me more capable because of the creativity that you bring to my life. We are video recording this, so all of you can take it later on or whatever may be the case. I don't know whether it will be available free of cost or not, but I want you to reflect on what I am saying. एक एक डायलॉग को पोस्टमार्टम करो. एक एक ख्याल को पोस्टमार्टम करो, अपने हिसाब से समझने की कोशिश करो, क्योंकि 1-1.5 घंटे में दुनिया भर का स्टोरी मैं तुम्हें सुना नहीं सकता हूं. So what does that mean? It means provide them and their entire families. That means you're not just only providing me, but my entire family, my wife, my children. If you can go to the extent of my employees, nothing like it. So providing me and my families with greater clarity, balance, focus and confidence. And many years ago, I read Douglas Andrews. And many years ago, I came to know about the most important aspect as to how does all these four things happen. ये चारों चीज कैसे होता है, ये मुद्दा बहुत important है. It's very important. How do you bring clarity, balance, focus and confidence to people? And that is when you work on true wealth. When you work on true wealth. So you got to be working on true wealth, not financial wealth and things like that. Because financial assets and financial health is the least important in the life of a growing man. So let me talk to you about true wealth. What does true wealth consist of? Three things. One is, it's known as human assets. The second is known as intellectual assets. And the third is known as financial assets. When you combine all the three, it becomes true wealth. So जब आप मेरे ह्यूमन एसेट्स पे काम करते हैं, जब आप मेरे फाइनेंशियल, when you work on my intellectual assets and when you work on my financial assets, all the three, when you work on all the three, you are creating true wealth for me. And I am treating you like a life advisor. I am not treating you like a financial advisor, because if I treat you like a financial advisor, the moment I do not think that you are giving me the right kind of advice, or I am not making the kind of money, or I did not get what I thought I should get, because I only depend on you as a financial advisor. Because if I depend exclusively on you as a financial advisor, then my dealing with you is purely financial. But now I am not appointing you as a financial advisor, I am appointing you as my life advisor, and that means you will work on my true wealth, which means you will work on human assets, intellectual assets and financial assets. Now let me quickly, what I learned many years ago from the very books that I read, which you have read, but because it is necessary to repeat and remind. What does human assets, so these are the four different types of assets. So you should start working first on Santosh Nair's human assets, which means you should start working on my family, my relationship with my family. Do I have wonderful relationship with my family? Do I have a clear purpose in life? Does my company have a clear purpose in life? Do I have a clear purpose in my own life? Do you know that? So that's one that you got to work on. You got to work on my health. Now, do I have spondylitis and I have all kinds of breathing problems and diabetes and blood pressure and cholesterol, and I don't get up in the morning, and because of that I have a little paunch like this, and I don't do any exercise and I don't do any meditation and I don't do anything, and my wife's health is gone for a toss and my health is gone for a toss, and you have to work on it. And you got to work on my values. Do I have clear values? Does my family have clear values? Do I have core values? Do I have the right kind of ethics? Do I have the right kind of ethics? Because without being an ethical businessman, I will not be in a position to survive the future. So do I have the right kind of ethics? Do I have the right kind of character? Is my leadership really good? Do I have the real virtues? Am I working on my distinct forte? Are you helping me to work on my distinct forte and not helping me to work on my areas in which I am incompetent or competent or just about superior, but I am working on the areas of my distinct forte? That is what I love to do and what I do best. Are you helping me? And are you working on my relationship with my mother? I have relationship problem, or I have a problem with my father, or whatever may be the case. I may not be having the best of relationship with my elder daughter. I may not have the best of relationship with my wife. With a large number of good colleagues that I have, I may not have the right kind of relationship, and that's why I said we can't do it for the whole world. We can do it for 20. And do I have the right kind of attitudes? So that's the human asset. Do I have the right kind of habits? It's your responsibility to guide me into the right kind of habits. Are you taking that as your responsibility? Because my dear friends, अगर ये नहीं है तो मैं खुश नहीं हूं. I am not happy. I am not excited. I am not vibrant. I am not happy. These are the most important aspects of my life. And I always say people live with these kind of things. These are intangible. You got to work on it. And that is the transformation that I am calling you to do on. As a visionary of people, it is my responsibility to show you the future. And in any case, you must be suffering today because you may not be working on everything. What is intellectual assets? It's all about wisdom. Now you have to see whether the 50-year-old Santosh Nair's wisdom is being transferred to his second line leadership, to his family and things like that. Am I sharing my wisdom, or do I have no time for anybody and transferring my wisdom to the next generation? You got to see that. Talent is intellectual assets. All the education and experience that I got, is it being transferred to the next generation? Do you have a plan for me to transfer my wisdom, my knowledge, my skills, my abilities, my thoughts to the next generation? It could be my immediate generation. It could be, if I don't have a family generation, then is it being transferred to my organization generation? My experiences, my alliances, my skills, my strategies, my 30 years of experience, is this being transferred to the second generation? The traditions that I followed, the beautiful traditions that I followed, the systems that I followed, the way in which I became successful, the pattern of my success, my understanding of success. Now, are you working on both these assets? Because I always say that you develop the knowledge and then you learn and build all these intellectual assets. And the least important of all, let me talk about. The least important is the financial assets. If I tell you, now this assets consists of everything that you understand, and I don't have to talk to you about it. It is all about money, real estate, bonds and mutual funds and insurance and stocks and all the property and business enterprises or whatever may be the case. And the fourth one is, now these are the things that you earn, and the fourth one is taxes and charities. Now, if I tell you, if you have all these four assets, and I keep a gun on your head right now, if you have all these four assets right now, you have suppose human assets, and you have intellectual assets, you have financial assets, and you have social assets, and I am going to keep a gun on your head, and I am not going to allow any of you to get out of this room, and I am telling you, give up one asset, otherwise we will shoot you. एक एसेट छोड़ के ये रूम से जाना. अभी तुम्हारे पास 4 है, ये रूम से जाने के टाइम पे 3 होना चाहिए. चौथा रहेगा, इधर ही गोली मार देगा तेरे को. Which one will you give up before you leave this room? Which one will you give up? Which one will you give up? Then why do we always focus on the least important in life? Why do we always focus on the least important things on life? And therefore, transformation means get your act together. Get your act together and work on all of them. So, true wealth management means what? All 4 categories must be managed by you. तुम्हें चारों को मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. मेरा खाली रोकड़े पे दिमाग लगा के मत बैठ, मेरे पॉकेट पे देख के मत बैठ घूर घूर के। मैंने कमाया हुआ पैसा कैसे भी साला तेरे जेब में आवे, वो चक्कर में आना नहीं मेरे घर में। मेरे को ज्यादा कमाने का रास्ता बता सकता तो बोल, उसमें से जितना मनता है ले जा, दिल मेरा बड़ा है ले जा, लेकिन इस पे से नहीं, पूरा काम करना पड़ेगा। So all four categories must be managed to increase the efficiency and effectiveness of all assets to accomplish a client's true objective. All the four will have to be managed. Now, if you focus on the first one, see what happens. The CBFC officer that I was talking about, CBFC. Focusing on human assets gives incredible clarity in relationships that matters the most. If I focus on my human assets, it will give me C, clarity. And I started focusing on human assets, which gave me clarity because of you. Number two, with that clarity, now that I have complete clarity about my relationship, about all those human assets, I have clarity and I am very happy and I am excited because of pehla wala agar setting ho gaya na, the health, the relationship, I am happy, I am excited, I am motivated, I am working in my distinct forte, I am going to be successful for the rest of my life. If my human assets is in solid control, मैं कमाता रहूंगा, जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ता रहेगा और जैसे जैसे मैं आगे बढ़ता रहेगा एक टुकड़ा तेरे को देते रहेगा। लेकिन पहला वाला clarity. Second is, with that clarity the whole seems greater than the sum of the parts. And we work on only one part. We got to work on the whole thing. So, अगर हम लोगों ने ऐसा काम किया तो there will be balance in our life. So, there will be balance in life. Now, that balance, because I focused on all the four, came because of you. And now I am gaining confidence. Santosh Nair is gaining confidence. Increase clarity and balance. Now I have got clarity in my life because my human asset in Super Gango, I have balance in life. And now with this increased clarity and balance allows me to focus on my distinct forte. That means I, Santosh Nair, will only work on my distinct forte, on my unique ability, on the jobs that I love to do and what I do best. And I will not be doing any other jobs. And you have told me how to delegate jobs into the hands of competent officers who will take care of areas in which I am bad or incompetent, or I am competent or okay, and I am superior in some areas and I have delegated everything, and you were the reason why I delegated everything, and now I work only on my distinct forte. I love to speak in front of people. This is what I love to do, and I can do for hours together. And you made me do this. You made me the best in the industry. And with that clarity and balance that I have now, and I am only focusing on my distinct forte, you will have increased confidence in every relationship. I don't do any nakli things, I do only original and asli things. Isn't confidence the greatest asset we can bring to any relationship? Ask yourself, तुम्हारे मेरे लाइफ में आने की वजह से मैं सुपर कॉन्फिडेंट हो गया. Is that not the greatest contribution that you can make to my life? I became super confident about my future, about my wife, about my health, about my relationship, about the wisdom transfer. Everything is beautiful. Isn't confidence the greatest asset we bring to any relationship? So, what to sell from tomorrow morning? Sell clarity, sell balance, self focus and confidence to families. Mutual funds नहीं बेचना, insurance नहीं बेचना, and all those products and services नहीं बेचना. Everything that you have to do इस चक्कर में, ये mutual funds and everything that you give to the customer is a byproduct of that wonderful contribution that you are making, and they are necessary, important, mandatory for people, but that should not be your only focus in life. And so sell clarity, balance, focus and confidence to families. If you sell their needs, you can be replaced. But if you develop their wants, and one of the wants may be financial assets, so you have an expert in that. So अभी तुम लोग को है ना, काम जो तुम लोग अभी तक कर रहे थे ना, उस पर कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं, उसमें तुम लोग बापू है, बापू. मतलब फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज का, प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज कैसा बेचने का, उसमें तो तुम लोग पीएचडी लेके बैठा हुआ है, तो वो तो तुम्हारा ब्लड लाइन में है, वो तो तुमको मैं मार मार के भी निकाला, ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन भी कर दिया और किसी और का ब्लड भी डाल दिया, तो भी वो निकलने वाला नहीं है भूषण भाई. तो मुझे इस बात का बिल्कुल डर नहीं है कि तुम हरामी थे, हरामी हो और हरामी रहोगे, और तुम लोग फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स के ऊपर से ध्यान छोड़ने वाला नहीं है. इतना तो तुम्हारा जात और फितरत और आंख और पर्सनैलिटी और कोट देख के ही समझ सकता हूं मैं. तो इस बात में मुझे कोई डर नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे डर है तुम्हारा फ्यूचर का, अगर तुम ऐसे गए तो. So I am not saying you should not sell products and services. So, my dear friends, I have always said, when you do this, what have you done? You have created value. I said, become the chief clarity, balance, focus and confidence and value creation officer. Value creation officer. क्लैरिटी के बारे में मैंने बता दिया, बैलेंस के बारे में मैंने बता दिया, फोकस के बारे में मैंने बता दिया, कॉन्फिडेंस के बारे में बता दिया. नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू अबाउट बिकमिंग द value creation officer. Now when is value created in somebody's life? So if Rajendra Bhatia comes to my life, when does value get created? Value is created in three ways, ladies and gentlemen. Value is created in three ways. In any relationship, value is created in three ways. Number one, leadership. का मतलब है, you came into my life and you gave me leadership. When you give me leadership, it means you have given me direction. Now you gave me direction in the human assets, you gave me direction in intellectual assets, you gave me direction in financial assets, you gave me direction in civic assets and social assets. So I am very happy कि आपने मेरे को direction दिया. I am extremely thrilled कि you have given me direction. And you are a leader in my life, and you play the role of a value creator. The second way we can create value in anybody's life is by providing relationship. Any relationship is based on whether that relationship provides confidence. Relationship का मतलब है कि वो, कोई भी रिश्ते का मतलब है कि वो रिश्ता कॉन्फिडेंस देता है. Suppose I come back and I tell my wife Sindhu that मेरा लाइफ में ये प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, बिजनेस में ये प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, and she says, not to worry Santosh, life is going to be beautiful, you are a hard worker, you are a smart guy, you fought for 30 years, right now you're going through difficulty, don't worry. Sindhu tells me that relationship is providing loudly what? Confidence. But suppose I go and tell her the same things, and I say I am going through a difficult time in business and things like that. वो बोलते, देखा तेरे को बोला था, तेरे को कीड़े, तेरे को अतरंगी कीड़े, तेरे को सुलेमानी कीड़े, तेरे को मैं बोलती थी ये मत कर, वो मत कर, लेकिन तू मेरा सुनता किधर है? Now is that relationship providing confidence? She is making me afraid. मेरे को बोलती है कि तू डूबेगा, कंफर्म मुंह पे देख के मेरे को सच्चाई बोलती है. And therefore that relationship is not providing confidence to me, and therefore as a financial advisor not. But as a life advisor, your job is this. And the last way is providing creativity, which means you are providing capability to me. You are making me more capable leader, more capable manager, more capable father, more capable husband, more capable organization guy, more capable in my knowledge, more capable in my capacity, in my ability, more capable in my skills, in my experience, in my ability to take on challenges. All kinds of capability you are providing because you are now a life advisor. And therefore, from now onwards, it's not about product knowledge. It's all about client knowledge, about his life, about everything about his life. How can you make his life better, stronger, and more progressive? That's the most important aspect of life. So client-centered knowledge means for his whole life, what will Santosh Nair require for him to remain successful? Jaideep Kashikar, you have to teach me that. And it has to be very customized to Santosh Nair. So that I can ignore all confusions that are being created by this ever-changing world, and you are my anchor, and you are providing me the direction. Now, all the training and development that you have to do in your life should be in this direction. All the training and development that you have to do in life is in this direction. And that is very, very important. तो जितना भी training करना है, जितना भी तुमको development करना है, everything has to be in this direction. Not about product knowledge, not about company knowledge, not about, I've seen that, yeah. So, can you name your 25 clients? Ask yourself, can you name your 25 clients to whom you can give this kind of an advice? Life transforming advice. What opportunities do you need to capture to add another 7 in the next, the next 25 years? Sorry, what did I say? Can you name your 25-year clients? Can you say that these are the 3, 4, 5, 6 clients जो 25 साल तक मेरे को छोड़ेंगे नहीं? What opportunities do you need to capture to add another 7 in the next 12 months? And what transformation, not change, what transformation will you have to bring in yourself and your business to capture this opportunity? And that's very, very important, my dear friends. Now, I don't want to talk about Formula 4. I'll directly, because I've been given another 5 minutes. So, I'll not talk about all these things. I'll go to Formula 5. You got to be the chief, you got to be the chief expert. Become the chief expert. Which means, I am not going to go to a financial expert, then there is a business expert, then there is a health expert, then there is a law expert, and then there is a real estate expert. I am not going to go to 25 different experts. You are my chief expert. You build contacts with those 25 experts. मैं हर आदमी के साथ बैठने वाला नहीं हूं. मेरा लाइफ एडवाइजर तू है. तू सबके साथ रिश्ता बना. You are my chief expert. And I'm going to depend only on one expert. I'm going to run through. I'm going to give you another formula. 2 more is left. The formula number 6 is become the chief shock absorber to yourself and your parivar. I call it the parivar. I call my entire family the customer. We don't in our company call anybody customers anymore. They are our parivar. We don't call our suppliers any more suppliers. We call them parivar. So we don't call employees or suppliers or customers. You are all members of our parivar. Now, the beautiful part is that become the chief shock observer to yourself and your entire parivar. Now, the shocks are going to come to me. You are my life advisor. Shocks are going to come through me all the time. Such a life of, you got to create such a life of value creation. You have to create a life of value creation which will be, which will be so personally enjoyable for you. If you can create this kind of life for me, it will be very, very enjoyable for you. आपके लिए ये बहुत ही enjoyable and rewarding journey होगा.